children, now we will start our third part of this lesson. So children, in second part, we saw that the crown is covered with hard substance and it called enamel. Now we will see that how we will care about our teeth. Otherwise, there is destruction of our teeth. The most common cause of toothache is decay. Decay means gradual destruction. The most common cause of toothache is decay. Means whenever we have toothache, the most common cause is decay if the teeth and the gums are not properly cleaned. Whenever we are careless about cleaning of our teeth, so our decay started. If the teeth and gums are not properly cleaned, tiny pieces of food are left of them. What left on our teeth? Tiny pieces of food. And bacteria begin to grow from that particle. How bacteria grow? That bacteria begin to grow from these particles only. The sugar in our food act with these bacteria. There is sugar in our food. So that sugar in our food act with this bacteria and acid are formed. How acid are formed? Sugar with this bacteria. Sugar means whatever we are eating, there is quantity of sugar. So this sugar and bacteria are formed in acid. These acid cause the enamel to decay, and because of this acid our enamel is decay. And when the enamel is gone, the tooth can't live long. Why tooth can't live long? Because enamel is most important for our teeth. So whenever it is gone, so the tooth can't live long. You can't eat and chew your food properly well if you don't strong teeth. If we don't have strong teeth, for cutting and chewing we have strong teeth. And because of toothache, because of decay, that tooth became weak. And we can't eat and chew food properly. Therefore, you must take care of your teeth. Brush your teeth daily. Brush your teeth daily. Go to the dentist also. Brushing 2 times is most important, children, because you are eating more chocolates and it is dangerous for our teeth. So 2 times brush is important, compulsory, necessary, and go to the dentist also. Visit the dentist about twice a year. How many times? Twice a year, even when if there seems to be nothing wrong. Visit the dentist about twice a year, even if there seems to be nothing wrong. If we have no problem, but still we have to go to dentist for checkup of our teeth. So children, be careful. If you want strong teeth, long life teeth, so we have to be very careful about that. Thank you.